Replacing your windows is a smart investment for comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, especially in Glendale, where intense sun, heat, dust, and seasonal temperature changes put windows to the test. While homeowners often focus on choosing the right window style or glass features, one critical factor has the biggest impact on long-term results: professional installation. Even the highest quality replacement windows won't perform as intended without expert installation. Here's how professional installation ensures Glendale replacement windows deliver lasting performance and value for years to come. Precise fit prevents air leaks and drafts. Glendale's extreme summer heat makes proper window sealing essential. Professional installers take exact measurements and ensure each replacement window fits perfectly within the existing opening. A precise fit eliminates gaps that allow hot air inside, prevents cooled air from escaping, reduces drafts and uneven temperatures, improves overall energy efficiency. Even small measurement errors can lead to comfort issues and higher energy bills, which is why professional accuracy matters. Proper sealing protects against heat and dust. In Glendale's desert environment, windows must keep out more than just heat. Dust, debris, and outdoor pollutants can easily enter through poorly sealed windows. Professional installation includes high-quality insulation around the frame, durable caulking, and flashing tight weatherstripping compression. These steps create a strong barrier that keeps indoor air clean and comfortable while reducing maintenance needs. Structural support ensures long-term stability. Replacement windows must be securely anchored to withstand thermal expansion caused by intense sunlight and temperature fluctuations. Improper installation can lead to shifting, warping, or operational issues over time. Professional installers reinforce window openings when needed. Ensure frames remain level and square. Secure windows to prevent movement. This structural integrity helps windows maintain performance and appearance over the long term. Energy-efficient features perform as designed. Modern replacement windows often include advanced features such as low-E glass, insulated frames, and multi-pane construction. These features only work properly when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures glass units remain sealed. Insulated frames perform efficiently. Thermal barriers are uninterrupted. This maximizes energy savings and indoor comfort during Glendale's long cooling season. Smooth operation and everyday convenience. Windows should open, close, and lock effortlessly. Improper installation can cause sticking, misalignment, or hardware failure. With professional installation, sashes align correctly, locks engage fully, sliding or hinged components operate smoothly. This improves usability while reducing wear and tear on window components. Moisture protection during seasonal storms. Although Glendale is known for dry conditions, monsoon season can bring sudden, heavy rain. Poorly installed windows may allow water intrusion that damages walls, flooring, or window frames. Professional installers use proper flashing techniques, seal vulnerable joints, ensure drainage pathways function correctly. This protects your home from unexpected moisture issues. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for future repairs. Professional installation preserves manufacturer warranties, reduces risk of premature failure, ensures accountability and support. This provides peace of mind that your investment is protected. Long-term value and reduced maintenance. Windows installed correctly require fewer repairs and maintain their appearance longer. Professional installation reduces the likelihood of problems such as cracked seals, condensation, or frame damage. Homeowners benefit from lower maintenance costs, consistent performance year after year, improved home value and resale appeal. A smart choice for Glendale homeowners. Professional installation is the foundation of long-lasting replacement window performance. In Glendale's demanding climate, expert installation ensures windows stay energy efficient, durable, and comfortable through years of sun, heat, and seasonal weather changes. If you're investing in replacement windows, choosing professional installation isn't an extra, it's essential. With expert craftsmanship and attention to detail, your Glendale replacement windows will deliver the comfort, efficiency, and reliability your home deserves.